Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Mi Neckband Bluetooth earphones. So let's take a look inside the box. It's actually a curved and underneath this inside we have another little box. Okay. It's another slot basically, inside which we have this is the charging cable. We have additional buds and we have a little instruction manual. Yes, the user manual. Is there anything else in here? No, that's it. Let's keep this aside. So here we have the Mi Neckband, the charging cable again. It's a flat wire, as you can see, and it's quite long, fairly long, not too long. You've got additional buds and you've got the user manual. So that was all there was inside the Mi Neckband Bluetooth earphones. Thanks for watching.